Hey, welcome back to Ningbo Flyer. This is Solaria Nishitetsu Hotel at Taipei Ximending, a 4-star hotel tucked right into Ximending, about 300 meters from Ximending Metro Station. Today, I'm reviewing the King Superior room. The lobby itself is genuinely spacious, finished in the Japanese-style decor, high ceilings, and open floor plan that doesn't feel like a typical Ximending hotel squeezed into a narrow footprint. Down here, you've also got a self-service luggage storage room with pin code locker access, a drink station with water, several tea varieties, coffee, and ice, plus a gym and laundry room. Now let's go into the room. Ours was on the 25th floor. This is a King Superior room, 22 square meters, which is on the smaller end of the room, carrying the Superior name. Straight past the entry is a bathroom, clean, fitted with 2 shower options, the overhead rainfall shower and the handheld one. The bed is a larger king size, and there's a table and recliner chair as well. It's spotless, no marks, no wear and tear visible anywhere. There is a mini fridge stocked with a complimentary bottled water, and the drawer has hotel-provided pyjamas folded inside. You have universal power sockets on the wall, but the connection is built loose. The TV is an Android TV with built-in hotel service menu, a wide range of international channels, a live YouTube feed of Taipei 101 skyline, and even the ABC News webpage. Housekeeping comes through every 2 days, and the room stay was immaculate throughout our journey. 22 square meter is the number to remember here. If you stayed in a proper superior room elsewhere, this will feel like tight. By comparison, it is clean and well presented, but you're not getting space for that. Back downstairs, let's take a look at the laundry room. The washer only takes a $10 coin, $10 Taiwanese coin, so it's 70 Taiwanese dollars a load, and the dryer rounds at 10 Taiwanese dollars every 7 minutes, so please budget accordingly if you're doing a full cycle. Location-wise, this is the dead center of Ximending with night markets, shopping, and food, all walkable in Ximending Metro Station just about 300 meters away. Noise level were non-existent, which is super nice. That's Solaria Nishitetsu Hotel at Taipei Ximending. If this was helpful, please stick around. We have new videos coming out every 2 weeks. And thank you so much for everyone supporting the channel. See you in the next video.